what is astrophysicists do? What is the physics of the astronomy of our universe? And that's one of the basic key questions you must have as a curious mind. And the answer is not obvious, but it's fascinating and it takes a step further from it. The thing is, most of the things you study in science, in physics, you would want to see with your real eyes, like an experiment. And for example, light goes into a prism and 7 colors pops up. You can bring a prism, put a light, there are 7 colors. But what about the science of the universe? Now that is something you cannot do. You can only simulate things, or you can only experiment, or you can only extrapolate. And learning about astronomy in itself is such a beautiful thing. Like, you see the vastness of the universe and you realize that your intelligence is so small compared to it, but somehow you are observing the universe, you are making a sense of the universe, and perhaps the existence of the universe in itself is because you are trying to understand it. Because let's try to understand from the perspective of animals, say deer. A deer wakes up, eats the food, tries to hide, tries to run, and then sleeps. The deer never wonders what's out there. What is the world of astronomy, what the universe, the world of black holes look like? And therefore, for them the universe doesn't matter, and therefore the existence of the universe is not there in their mind, in that universe, in the space. And for us it is there. And it's like a mutual relationship. The universe has created you, and you documented the creation of the universe. That's how fascinating is it. So yes, there are many different areas and different ways you can study universe, and astrophysics do that. And of course there are many applications to it. One of the simple things is, like, everything is a challenge. Like, if you see an asteroid and if you see a composition of it, you do some analysis and you see its behavior, and if its behavior doesn't match with our expectation, then we try to find out what is causing that behavior. Obviously we cannot go to such far distances to collect the evidences itself, so we have to use our ingenuity, our limited capabilities of intelligence, and somehow make sense of all the things. Like, one of the examples is that, like, if we see two bodies interacting with each other, because of Newton's laws of gravity, we know how they will behave with each other. If they are behaving in a similar manner, it's fine, but if they are not, then we can calculate by how much they are off. And that is how we had discussed some of the black holes, because two celestial bodies were behaving in a different magnitude than possible. Because if we cannot see the third body, but we can see the impact that there exists a third body, and because definitely we cannot see it, has to be one of the black holes. So the study of universe keeps on expanding. One of the popular questions is obviously, like, what's inside a black hole? Can you ever pass the speed of limit of light? Or perhaps you can go to other universes outside our universes, or is there any other universes? And such things maybe we might not explore ever, but that doesn't mean we shouldn't try. That's what astrophysicists do, and that's what it's all about. So if you're curious enough, I will urge you to dive deep and share your questions, and we'll try to understand it together. See you guys.